welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you all the watercolor papers and sketchbooks that I use for my paintings. There are a variety of watercolor paper available in the market. If you look out in Amazon, you will find watercolor papers in different sizes, textures, weights, brands, and of course in different price ranges. So, without wasting any more time, let's start with today's video where I show you my watercolor papers in different formats and also few of my paintings done on these papers. First, I will start with my sketchbooks and then later with the loose papers or sheets. I will also show the different textures that comes with cold pressed or hot pressed paper. You will see I mainly use papers from Bristow brand but also have few other brands. Let's start one by one. This one is of size A6 and this is from brand Zen Sangam. It's great for travel purpose, but to be very frank, I didn't buy this for travel purpose. I bought it as I wanted to push myself to wake up early in the morning and do little painting sessions. Many a times we get overwhelmed with the larger size and not start at the first place. So I painted few small paintings. I was successful for a week but couldn't continue when kids' offline school started again. Or maybe I don't have a good system or routine to continue painting and I'm making excuses to myself. We'll have to figure it out. Do let me know if you are also a full-time homemaker. If yes, then how do you manage your art business along with other responsibilities? I would love to know that. Let me show you the texture on this. Not sure whether it's clearly visible to you. Yeah, now I think you can see a little bit of texture. Smaller size makes it great for carrying around with you all the times. Now let's move to the next one. And this is of size A5. And the earlier that we saw was of size A6. So you can see that as the number decreases, the size of the paper increases. This one is of 300 GSM, cold pressed, size A5 and from the brand Scholar. Let me show you the texture on this one. Here you can see the textures more clearly. It has got very good textures and the paper is quite thick. Here you don't have to stretch it or tape it down to a board. If the paper weight is below 300 GSM, then you will have to do so in order to prevent it from buckling under the weight of the water. It allows more layers, which is great for watercolor paintings in order to have that transparency. This painting you might have seen earlier. I have done few videos on these under the title Series on Berries. This is raspberry, strawberries, then comes black currants and red currants. I plan to do a series of fruits in this remaining papers. This one is of my favorite. I personally like books with spiral binding. Spiral pads are great because you can work on different projects simultaneously without having to tear out each piece of paper. It's mentioned here that it has heavy texture, it's acid-free, 100% wood-free cellulose, and high water absorbency. I got this as a pack of 2 and it's budget friendly. If you plan to buy one, then do check it out. In this, I have done only one painting. This was done for my online workshop for kids. If you want to join my online class, then do DM me on my Instagram handle ArtbyBijee and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, I've got some loose sheets. This is from the brand Brustro. It is artist grade watercolor paper made up of 100% cotton. You will also see this called as rag paper or cotton rag. Let me show you the texture in hot pressed paper. I haven't used this paper yet but plan to do so in the near future. Look how smooth it is. It doesn't have that rough texture that we saw in cold pressed paper, which makes it ideal for fine detailed watercolor paintings, and also you can use color pencils, graphite, pen or ink with these paintings. This is also artist watercolor paper, but now this one is only 25% cotton and is of 200 GSM. I have another one which is also 25% cotton but is of 300 GSM. Cotton paper absorbs water in a beautiful way and helps us achieve that watercolor look when painting. This again comes as a pack of 2. I have mostly used from this pack, that is of 200 GSM. This is also in pack of 2. GSM and 100% cotton is the best combination for watercolor painting, but it is not necessary that it has to be like that. You can work on any combinations as it solely depends on the project that you are working on. Now the next one that I have is a pad. Size is A4, 200 GSM and cold pressed. Let's see the texture of this one. It doesn't have heavy texture, but yeah, it's not smooth either. I plan to do few wildlife paintings in this one. When I'm done with it, I'll share with you all. So, here are few of my watercolor paintings done on these papers. These paintings are done for my online students. I have cut from my A5 size sheets and now it's somewhat like A6. These paintings are for learning how to paint flock of birds in flight, like how to draw when they are close and what will be their size if they are far a distance. This is to show how they have different direction of the wings and also include them in their perspective. So these are the paintings that I've done for my online students. These are for my bird series. I have used many layers in this. Let me show the back side of the paper. You can see that it is good, no buckling or bleeding. It's good enough for me to paint another on this side. So you can use both sides of this paper, and it is only of 200 GSM. Same paper I have used for my Rose series watercolor paintings. Video is uploaded for these paintings. You will get the links in the description below. Do try out and let me know how it turned out for you. If you have any doubts or suggestions, then do message me in the comment section. These are of size A5 from the brand Brustro that I had shown earlier. Let me show which one it is. This one. So you can see I have used quite a lot from this pack. This is for my series on roses. This one is in process. I haven't completed yet. I have already got a video on this painting. In this also, I have used many layers and the paper is still in good condition. These are of pothos and ivy plant. Videos of these paintings are also uploaded. If you haven't seen yet, then please do check them out. It also allows you to get good gradation, that is from higher value to lower value. Now, if you want to have something which is more budget friendly, you can definitely go with the option that I am going to show you. I will just show a glimpse of it in this video. More details will be shown in the next video. These are the sketchbooks that I have made it by myself. So you can call it as DIY sketchbooks. Let me show inside of it. This is again for my online students. If you want to join my online classes, then do DM me on my Instagram handle ArtbyBijee, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In one of my video, I will explain you what's the difference between artist grade and student grade supplies and which one you should buy, even if you are a beginner. So stay tuned for that video. I have got many products from Brustro. They all are good. This is not a sponsored video, it's just my feedback of that brand. If you enjoyed this video, which I am guessing you did since you stayed all the way till the end, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps my small channel to grow. Thanks for staying with me till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.